Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly export sketchy wireframes as native Figma designs in under 2 minutes. We've already created a sketchy dashboard wireframe inside the editor. Click on the wireframe, go to Export, and select Export to Figma. If your wireframe includes images, enable the Include Images toggle to export them as well. Then click Start Export, and the wireframe data will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Next, click on Open Figma. If the MockFlow Figma plugin is not installed yet, install it first. Inside your Figma project, right-click on the canvas, go to Plugins, and open the MockFlow plugin. Then paste the copied wireframe data into the plugin. Within seconds, your sketchy dashboard wireframe will appear in Figma as a fully editable design, ready for further UI refinement. Charts will not be editable in Figma, but they will remain editable in MockFlow. And that's how easily you can export your sketchy wireframes from MockFlow to Figma, helping you move from wireframe to design without rebuilding everything.